So it's that time of year. Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to talk about goal setting. There's a lot going on in here. There's just always a lot going on here. So today I kind of just want to take a lot of the stuff that's sitting in here and put it into this video just for funsies. So first, I really love dresses. I want to make a white long gown. I'm thinking one shoulder, bodycon, nice fit. I'm thinking to do like either like a shell stitch or a Suzette stitch for this dress. I think that would be really cute. Number two, I want to make a flower dress. If you've ever seen any of these ones, they're so cute. Like it's just a bunch of flowers and then you piece them together. Ooh, it's so cute. I usually like longer dresses, but I feel like this one would just look cuter if it was shorter. I feel really cute with like a headband or a purse accessory or earrings. So that's number two. Number three is something I already made. So I actually want to remake a dress I made in like my first couple of months crocheting. Back in the day, I used to like to make shorter everything just because I was so excited that I finished a project that I wouldn't add more length. Now I have a little bit more patience / confidence / skill, so I'm willing to take the time to get like the length I actually want. But also it was really short because it was actually a bralette and a pair of shorts that I made separately, and then I stitched it together, and I don't think I had enough yarn to extend it and make it longer. Nevertheless, love it. Definitely hope to do it again. So I think that ends it for my dresses. Let's go on to our next category, which I guess would be accessories. So the first accessory I have is a tote bag. I really want to make a tote bag, but I've already made one before. So what's specific about this one is I want to have an insert. I kind of need to learn how to sew this year. I will learn how to sew this year because I want to have an insert with a zipper inside of the tote bag so it has a lining. I think that'll just be so cute. And number two on the list, which I feel like is kind of the same thing, I want to make like a little pouch, like a little coin purse. Like I don't know, I haven't made one. I can just never figure out what design I want on it. I feel like one with like a mushroom on it, or one with the sun or a moon or a star is super cute. Or I don't know, like a Hello Kitty on it. It'd be so adorable. Oh, hats. I make hats all year long, and it's so funny because when I started crocheting, I really struggled to make hats and I didn't like making them. And I have made definitely over 200 hats this year. I started doing markets in the summer, and those are the main things I sold. Like my goal for 2024 is to make a tutorial on my granny square hat. I don't have a tutorial on it. I just think that's insane. I've just been super busy, so I really need to get that done. It bothers me that I don't have it because it is the item I've made the most this year. 2024, we need the crochet granny square bucket hat tutorial up on this channel. Okay, let's move on to our next category, which is men's apparel. So I don't know what happened, but this year I've really had the desire to make more like men's items, and I really just like crochet dress shirts, mesh types of tops. They just look really intricate, and like I love the stitching in them. So I have one that I already talked about. I have not touched it since that day. So I also want to make a hexagon dress shirt, the granny square dress shirt that I'm already making, and there's another granny square one that I want to do. So I actually have a goal of 3 men's apparel items this year, which is a lot. Okay, next we're gonna move on to like, instead of the making, the more teaching side. So I want to make more tutorials. Like I really want to work on that. So I don't know how many tutorials I want to make, but let me just make it easy and say I want to do more than I did last year. So I don't even know how many I did last year, but I want to do more than that. I think that's a fair amount. That's the other goal. Okay, and let's do a bonus miscellaneous round. So everything here I'm just gonna say is completely random. I'm not sure if I actually want to do it. It's just on my mind right now, so I'm just gonna get it out. A white baby christening or communion dress. I saw one before and I don't have a photo reference of it. I wish I did. It's so beautiful. I search on Etsy for it all the time for a pattern, and I cannot find it anywhere. I've seen things that come close to it, but nothing that's exact. And there's this really cute like large size bunny plushie. It's so adorable. I saw it like years ago. I really want, like, that would be so cute to make that one. Purse. For some reason, I don't really enjoy making purses. People who crochet purses, you guys, so impressive. That's all I have to say. I'm very impressed. Ooh, yeah, let's get it. Shorts, men's shorts. super cute. Romper, or what is it, a romper? Well, the one with the shorts and the overalls. Ooh, one of those. And pants. Okay, I really despise making pants. And my most requested item to make is this green play suit that I made. I feel like I would really love to recreate it in brown. That is one of my favorite things I've ever crocheted, and I have no idea how I made it. I made it again in my first year of crocheting, so I'm very much like a freestyle crocheter. That's probably why I struggle to make the tutorials, because I don't really like to count my stitches. I don't really do any of that. Like, I just make sure it fits and looks good, and I really love that thing, and I don't know how I made it, but that would be like, if you guys see me do that, just know I cracked some type of code. I don't know what code it is, but it's been cracked. The code has been cracked. So yeah, that's basically everything I have in my mind now. Obviously, as the year goes on, things are going to be added, things are going to be subtracted, but I'm going to try and do everything I said at the beginning before this bonus section. But if I don't, who knows, but we'll see. Hold me to it. At the end of the year, we can do a little like recap and see what got done and what didn't. Let me know your goals down below and what we'll be working on in 2024. See you in the next one. Bye.